What's going on? So today we got a video from Uncovered, and the title of the video is "She Faked Her Medical License. Now she faces 14 felonies." God dang, 14? That's crazy. Let's get to it.
On August 5th of 2025, deputies with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office in Florida arrested ShyGotEm Bardisa, a 29-year-old posing as a nurse who had treated over 4,000 patients without any qualifications. During the hiring process, Bardisa provided a license number that matched her first name but had a different last name, as she claimed she was recently married. The fake nurse was apparently doing such a good job that she was offered a promotion. Suspicions were raised, however, when a coworker found out that her nursing assistant license had expired. What you're about to see is footage of police showing up to her home to arrest her before she leaves for work.
Hey there, are you Autumn?
Yeah.
Can you step out of the car for me, please?
Sure.
Do me a favor, just turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Oh, wait, what's going on?
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay, my car's across the street.
Okay, alright.
Am I being arrested?
You are.
Yeah. Wait,
Hold on.
Can I ask, but can I...
We have plenty of time to talk.
Okay.
Just relax.
Can I turn my car off?
Yeah, we'll take care of
And
that.
can I call my boss so I can tell her I can't go to this...
Yeah, you have any other weapons besides the
knife? It's not a weapon, they're Raptors. They're trauma shoes.
Oh, okay. I'm just gonna throw them in here right now.
Can you turn off my car?
You're advising one secure. 1521.
Do I need my license? My phone?
Julia 35. It could be a cage car for
I
transport.
just moved here.
So your car is okay here then?
Yeah, can I have my phone though, just in case?
Yeah, we'll take it with us.
I have... No,
What's your daughter's name?
Alice.
How old is she?
She's 7.
Okay. Let's just get the basics.
Okay.
Who's watching her right now?
The girl who lives across the street, it's her daughter, it's her sister. She doesn't live there, she's just staying there temporarily.
How old is the person that she's with?
Gabby, I think she's 24 or 25.
She's an adult.
Yeah, if I could just tell her what's going on.
Yeah, we'll definitely do that.
What we try not to do is upset your daughter, obviously. Okay.
Yeah, I promise I won't go anywhere.
Okay, so let me ask you, where do you normally stay?
I just moved here.
So you live here.
Yeah.
Who do you live with?
It's my girlfriend and my daughter.
Okay. So can your girlfriend watch your child?
Yeah, I think she's on call tonight because she works at the hospital, but...
I mean, how long is the neighbor going to watch your child for?
Until like 5:30.
Until like 5. What time's your girlfriend get home?
By then. She gets off at 5:30, so it'll be okay. Can I just go explain to them?
We'll bring them out before anybody goes anywhere. That way.
Can we do it without...
Are you okay with her seeing you like that? Because
I'd rather her not see me in cuffs, and I promise I will not go anywhere.
I
just want to go in and talk to her.
To your daughter?
Yes, and just in the care.
Well, I mean, so we have protocols that we have to do too. Yeah, I called for. So we can. Let me just tell you, there is a felony warrant for your arrest. Okay. There is a bond on it. Okay, which is good. It's, I believe, $70,000 is the bond amount. Okay. So you can bond out.
What for? What for? What?
You know what all this is about?
Not really. I kind of had something with the Department of Health, but I have my license.
Okay.
And I had thought it was squared away because it's clear and active.
Okay. So that does stem from this. We were contacted, not me directly, but a guy with Health and Human Services reached out to you a couple months ago.
Yeah, and I had an attorney, and I haven't heard anything since.
Okay, so the attorney reached out to him and said that you were currently being represented and all that other stuff.
Yeah.
I'd love to have a conversation with you, but if you're represented by an attorney and that's somebody that wants to be here for all that kind of questioning, I obviously am limited on where this conversation can go.
Can I know what is a felony?
It has to do with medical fraud. I can get the exact thing. I don't remember off the top of my head, but it has to do with medical and stuff like that.
Okay.
You have 7 counts of identity theft and 7 counts of practicing without a license, and this does stem from everything with the Department of Health and Admin Health and all of that stuff. I mean, you're already aware of it. You've given statements to them, to other investigators before. This is just your first time meeting me.
Okay, identity.
So no, I've I've been with the other guys whenever they're doing their investigation, but I was not face to face with you for
Okay, I'm
those
saying,
things.
okay.
So
She cooked. You cooked. You know what time it is. Why not just go to nursing school? It's only what, 2 years? I think. Right? For your nursing thing is what, 2 years? Maybe 4, I think. I don't know, but I think you could get the regular joint for like 2 years, and then you could go on and get your BSN. You know, I think the RN is 2 years, then your BSN is 4 years, and then you could get your your master's in nursing or whatever, or go the nurse practitioner route or whatever. But damn,
Can I
I'm surprised it took them this long to even figure it out, though. I ain't gonna lie. That's a long time to figure out if you legit or not. Damn.
so
call her on my phone at least? And
yeah,
tell-
well, no worries. We'll let you do all that. Now, we can't just take the handcuffs off you because I mean, I know you're saying you're not gonna fight, but I mean, you've seen TV, you watch the movies, like you see.
I've never had an
you
arrest
see how
record. I've never done anything.
I'm not saying you have, okay, but we just don't want to. We don't want it to escalate to some place that we put it, because we take the handcuffs off you. But what we can do is get the person who's watching your child, and if you want to tell them what's going on, you certainly can. I mean, or if you want us to tell them.
Can I call them? Can you just take them off so I can call her on the phone at least?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
No, I'm not
you're
going
staying on, but I'm gonna grab your phone for
We'll
you.
grab your phone and put on
Come on over
speaker
here.
for you. Yeah, we'll grab your phone and put on speaker. No, the point is that I'm not saying you're going to do anything. We take the handcuffs off. That gives you it puts it there. Okay.
Okay. It's not. It's 0411. And can you go to recent calls? And then Gabby? Yeah.
Tim, okay.
Yeah.
Turn it up for you. Looks like your front door's open.
Yeah, I was walking. Yeah, please.
Did you want to step inside out of the heat
Yeah,
for a second?
Is that okay? Are you?
Yeah. I mean, anyone else inside the
Let me
house?
grab your keys for you.
Okay, can these I promise I won't.
Can anyone? Is anyone else inside the house?
Just my dog, but he's. Can you just be taken off? I won't do anything.
We can't take them off for right now. Okay.
Come walk to your house.
Here,
Yeah.
I mean, like I said, just yeah, I'll just move my car in the driveway.
Nice neighborhood too. All the neighbors gonna be talking about this tonight. Hold on. Oh, the officer got some flavor with him. I ain't gonna lie. What you know about that?
Shortly after, officers allow the suspect to lock up her home and notify her family of her arrest. Autumn was evidently fired from her job and currently faces 7 felony charges for identity fraud, as well as 7 felony charges for practicing medicine without a license. If found guilty in a court of law, Autumn can face anywhere from 3 to 10 years in jail, considering the harm she could have done without a medical license. Let us know in the comments what you think her consequences should be. And as always, be sure to subscribe for more.
She's cooked. I ain't gonna lie to you. She cooked. She's definitely cooked. Let me see. Yeah, she cooked. She could get 3 to 10. She's probably gonna get any. For me, I think she's gonna get somewhere like in that 4 to 6 range, somewhere in there, 4 to 6. Or 4 to 7. She's not gonna get the max or whatever. But she's not gonna get 10 years. Like, it's quiet for that. But that's insane. She definitely gonna do some jail time though, for sure, for sure. I wish we could keep updated on this because this is fresh footage. This is on the 5th. This happened on the 5th of this month. This is fresh, like. So yeah. Anyway, I think the officers did a pretty good job. They were 3 out of 5 from me. You know what I'm saying? They did a pretty good job. Yeah, but you know the deal. All right. How well do you think the officers did. Okay, let me know in the comment section, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you. No FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.